Keyword Magic, Spark Traffic with Research that Converts. Philip Bacon, How to Do Keyword Research that is actually going to have an impact on traffic. This week, we are talking keywords. Do you check the search volumes for keywords before you create content on it? We often get asked, why are we not getting traffic for X term? The answer is threefold. 1. You haven't got the content on your site. 2. You have the content on your site but it hasn't been there long enough. 3. You are looking at a term that has a low to none search volume. If it is the first one, then look at creating it. And the second time, give it time. You can also drive traffic to it via social, email, calls to action on higher traffic parts of the website, and if all fails, you can use paid ads. The third, and what should have been your first step, is there any traffic for the phrase or term you have decided to focus on? Check it with any of the free tools, yes, free, available. If it comes back as 0, then the chances of you getting traffic organically through search are also 0. This is why it is an important step in content production, but also in well-structured SEO and PPC campaigns. Look at the search volumes. Not getting traffic for something you want to be found for. Book a call and let's discuss why and what. Want to watch this information instead? We are Beyond. Marketing Managed provides a full review, streamlining and optimization service that will take your marketing and advertising to the next level. Please see our range of services or complete the form to discuss your needs with us. Straightforward approach. We always start by finding out about your business, it's unique, then we get to work on planning, building your strategy and adding sizzle to your marketing. Our combined backgrounds are a combination of both generalist and digital marketers, largely focused on digital marketing and also how it can be blended with offline marketing. It has meant that we have had to be hands-on and strategic,